So a deep energy retrofit, what exactly does that mean? Well, it means that we're making improvements to at least 3 different areas of the home. It all starts with the energy advisors certified by the Home Performance Stakeholder Council. These people will come in and they'll measure the performance of the house in its existing state, and they'll provide the contractor with a roadmap on where improvements can be made. Now, the energy advisor is also a key part of the rebate process. So if you're looking at getting some of these items rebated, going to government grants, either from Fortis, FortisBC, or government, it starts with the energy advisor. You need that report before you can make your application. So one of the first places that we looked at is the fireplace. This is an easy one. The old fireplace that was in here is a traditional B vent, which means it's using room air for combustion. So when you're using room air for combustion, it's drawing the air into the fireplace, then up the chimney. So lots of energy wasted, and also a big impact on your comfort level. The new systems are sealed units, and they're using outside air for combustion. So a significant difference in terms of the overall efficiency of the house. Now, the energy retrofit is basically looking at the house as a whole system. We can't just make one improvement and expect big results. We do have to look at it systematically so they all work together. So the next big step in the program is the windows, and we'll talk a little bit about the window improvement we made.